These are the kind of roads that are just south of my town. And it's showing you where I live, the quiet life. Boring, painful to watch, a comedy of errors. These are three of the comments I've had most recently on my channel. And it's, as somebody that's new at this and somebody that comes from an era of not putting myself on social media much, those kind of things can have a tendency to make you, disappointed or not want to carry on. But I can't look at it that way. I have to look at it like maybe I am a little bit boring. Maybe my subject matter isn't really unique, isn't something that people want to see. But I'm trying. I'm going to try this. This is what I want to do. It is difficult. But I can't look at it that way. I can't look at it like a disappointment. I have to look at it like constructive criticism. And I'm going to do my best to make whatever I make. I'm doing some gardening videos now and the quiet life, because this is where I live. This is about a mile outside of where I live. It is a quiet life. If I just shut up right now, I just bobwhite quail. There's a lot of nothing, a lot of silence. So my whole reason for doing this channel is to show the quiet life, to show retired life and what it can be to live in a life of just relaxation and enjoying the little things in life, the simple things. I do a lot of my content in the backyard because I don't think anybody wants to see this all day long. I mean, maybe if I have something that of content they want to see. But this video is just to let you know that I get those comments. I encourage those comments. I'm not going to get discouraged by those comments. I'm going to do my best to make my content more engaging, less amateurish, and less boring. How? I need your suggestions. What do you want to see? What do you want to see from me? I like to do art. I like to do gardening. I like cooking. I like doing the simple things. I want your suggestions on what you want me to do. What would you like to see? Would you like to see? I mean, there's gardening content everywhere. You can find much better gardeners than me. I'm just showing you my process and how I'm going about it, what I'm trying, and if it's working for me or not. I like doing art. I haven't shown that yet because I'm worried about YouTube algorithm showing you something that's not in my niche. I might just show it anyway. I had a video that did better than the rest. That's the one I got the most negative comments on fixing the e-bike flat, which I just did it on the fly because I had an e-bike flat, and I thought, oh, why not film it? Well, I'm no expert at e-bikes. I'm no expert at fixing flats. I gave my easy fix on the thing that worked for me, and I got a lot of negative comments on it. I got a lot of, I'm a hacker. You don't know what you're doing. This video was a comedy of errors. It probably was. But I showed it. And it got a lot of reaction. It got a lot of views. So I'm going to do my best to present me as I am. I'm going to try not to be present, I guess. Be more me. This is me. This is where I live. And this is what I like. Quiet. And that's how I live my life. And that's what I'm going to show. All aspects of it. So if you want to see more of me, I hope I'm in frame, because I'm trying to do the best thing by filming on the backside camera. And sometimes it's hard to tell where you're situated. I'm just doing my iPhone. And speaking off the cuff, isn't that a nice view though? My town is right down through that valley a little ways and a little bit more over this way. But I come out on this road, and it's a dirt road that goes outside of town. And the time I've been doing this video, nobody's come down it. Bobwhite quail calling. A little further down the road, I could take a right and go into a valley that is just loaded with meadowlarks. And I don't know why they all hang there, but I'm gonna cut this video off now. It's 90 something degrees, supposed to be 95 today. So we're in the middle of summer and it gets hot. It's we're supposed to maybe get thunderstorms, and I think those clouds right back there might start building up to become thunderstorms here. Let's see if we can hear this bobwhite over here. He's right in here. Well, my name's Dennis, and I hope you continue to watch my videos. I'm going to do the best I can to make my content entertaining, to make my subject matter entertaining for you. And let me know what you want to see from me, if anything. All right, now. All right. Like, subscribe if you want. If not, I understand. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.